Assalamu alaikum. In today's video we are making a simple and stunning mini aquarium for small fishes. Whether you are a beginner or just looking for a quick DIY project, this one's perfect. Let's dive in. We are starting with a small plastic crate. This will be the base of our aquarium. For a vibrant look, we will paint it sky blue using acrylic paint. If you don't have sky blue, just mix a little white paint with dark blue. It works perfectly.
Yeah.
Add some greenery. I am making small trees using foam clay, brown for the trunk and green for the leaves. You can shape them any way you like and place them in the corners of the crate. It adds a touch of nature and makes it look so lively. Next, sprinkle some colorful pebbles on the base of the crate. This not only adds brightness but also gives the aquarium playful look. Finally, the highlight. Your fish, make sure they are small and gently introduce them into the water. They will instantly bring life to your aquarium. And here you have it, your very own mini aquarium. It's colorful, creative and so easy to make. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more DIY ideas. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz and happy crafting.